everyday cooking dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. We're going to do grilled chicken today, right? We're going to marinate it in this Italian dressing. I've never done that before, so it's an experiment. Guys, I'm going to cut this chicken up and I'm going to get it cleaned up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, real quick, this is how I do it. I'll pick this up by the wing, right? I find right underneath this armpit here until I get through the bone. Boom, our wing is off, right? I'll do the same thing on the other side. Hold it up by its weight, right underneath the armpit. Hopefully I'll find that knuckle. There we go. Boom, done. Next, I'll do the same thing to the leg, right? Cut it. I'm using the weight of the chicken. Pop that knuckle out right across the back. That's it, guys. And let's do this again on this side. Weight of the chicken. Right. Pop the bone. Now we want the chicken breast, guys. I'm gonna actually probably cook the chicken breast whole, grill the chicken breast whole. I'm just gonna go down the center of the breast, down the side. There should be a bone right here. And that's it, guys. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And that bone. Right down the side. Some bone here. All right. Now, guys, there's a lot of meat here, right? Now, most people say they'll save this for later, but I'm not gonna cook this, and this is gonna go for chicken stock or something, right? I'll freeze this. All right, guys, so we got our chicken all cleaned up. I'm just gonna pat them dry, right? Because I don't want no, I mean, we're gonna already have moisture from the Italian seasoning, but I just wanna make sure it's kind of dry. I don't want too much water, right? And just dry these off real quick. Nothing crazy, right? Just dry them off. All right, guys, just for color, right? I'm gonna go in with some paprika, right? And then we're gonna go in with the complete seasoning. Try to get underneath the skins here. Flip this over. Guys, I just got regular zesty Italian from Aldi's, right? I don't know if brand's gonna make any difference, right? And guys, I'm just gonna give this a twirl. Let's just massage all of this seasoning in there, right? Just get this all in there, all over the place. You know what this needs? Hold on. Black pepper. Forgot to put the cracked black pepper in there, guys. I'm gonna use so much. And then, guys, I'm also gonna go in with some sriracha, right? Give this a spin, right? And I'm just gonna put it back in the same bowl. And then, guys, let's just move this out the way. We probably could stop right here, right? That probably would be good, just like that. Let's just give this a little shake. And then we're gonna go in with our Italian seasoning, right? I'm gonna go in with half the bottle. Half the bottle. And let's just get this incorporated a little. Everything's covered. And this is going in the refrigerator, right? Let's get a nice look at this. This is going in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours, I would say, before we're gonna eat dinner tonight. Yeah, so we're gonna try this. We'll see what it comes out like. In the refrigerator this goes. And that's gonna go on top here, and then once this is lit up, guys, then I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, it looks like we're there. I always like to use a little bit of a, you know, nice heavy heat-resistant glove. I'm just gonna take it, go down on top here. And now we're just gonna clean our grill off here. And I'm gonna close this down with the vents all the way open, just so we can heat this rack up, right? We wanna heat the rack up. All right, guys, while we're waiting for our grill to set up, I'm just gonna put some avocado oil in this pan, this bowl right here. Right, that's gonna help us clean our grill up. And I just wanna show you guys the chicken. Right, chicken's been sitting out for about 45 minutes now. Of course, a vehicle goes by, since we were rudely interrupted by the motorcycle. All right, guys, this is what our chicken looks like. It's been sitting out for a little bit, right? About 45 minutes or so. Guys, check this out. We're gonna spritz our chicken, right? But not just with water, right? We're gonna go in with water and some sriracha, just so we can add flavor. And I think I squeezed about a tablespoon in there. So that's probably about a half a cup of water, right? So now we got sriracha tasting water, right? Our chicken's gonna taste really good like this. All right, guys, and this chicken's gonna cook. Each piece is gonna cook at a different time. They're gonna be ready to go. So what I'm gonna do right now, get our flavor in, and we're just gonna close this down, right? We're gonna put our vent over, and I'm gonna close this down to right here halfway. And let me give you guys a shot over here. We're gonna work with just this. Normally I'll put my thermometer on the inside so I know what's going on, but we're really just grilling. What I wanna do is try and get this chicken up to temp, right? Just get it cooked, heated through, right, mostly, and then we're gonna grill. Almost dropped the camera. Then we're gonna grill. All right, guys, so it's been about 5 minutes now, and you can see our grill is telling us it's like about 400 degrees, right? So I'm gonna close this down just a little bit more, right? Is this really getting up there? So it's just barely open, you see that? All right, so I'm gonna give this 5 more minutes. All right, guys, so it's been like 5 minutes now, and we just, that little bit we closed it down, look at that, look how far it dropped. Right, guys? I mean, you really can rock in a Weber grill, right? So we're gonna go ahead and start grilling now. See what temperature we got on our chicken. Because it's been about almost 15 minutes total, right? Been almost 15 minutes total. And this is what our chicken looks like. Let's bring you guys in a little bit better than that, right? Now, once we've opened this up, this is gonna start to really heat up. But let's just take a quick temp. Our chicken thigh is 109 on the inside. Our chicken leg is 100. So guys, that's perfect, right? We brought it up to temp. Our chicken breast, 89. It's on this side of the grill. Right, so we're gonna start grilling. Just letting this come up to temp. We're gonna wait for it to get nice and red, right? See, it's not too hot. It's like to hold my hand over it. All right, so I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna start with the chicken breast first, right? Let's go skin side down. All right, guys, and basically that's gonna be it. We're gonna flip, we're gonna flop, we're gonna flop, and we're gonna flip. All right, guys, so we got our hot sauce and thing. I don't know why this thing's spritzing like this, but this is gonna be fine. Might have to change water bottles. All right, guys, so this is the game we're gonna play, right? We're just gonna keep flipping and turning. All right, let's get the skin some more color. Just gonna keep doing that, flipping and turning, turning and flipping. Let's move this off of here. And that's it, guys. This is the game we play. We got these down, but they're not really close to the fire. We got everything over to one side. I'm gonna go ahead and close this down, but we want this all the way up, right? I got this, we want this opened all the way. I got the vent opened all the way. This sucker's probably gonna rock up to like, I don't know, 4 something, right? All right, guys, real easy, real quick. We're just gonna do some zucchini, right? I'm gonna do some nice big pieces, right? Got some avocado oil. All right, guys, and we got some of this all-purpose seasoning, right? Give this a quick spin. All right, guys, before we put this on the grill, look where we're at. We're well past 400, right? Our chicken is really cooking, high heat. So in the meantime, guys, look at this. You know why I cut this so big? Look, it's the size of my finger, right? You know why I cut this so big? Watch this. So it doesn't fall through the grate. Right, so let's just throw this down on top. One got away. And we're gonna close the grill back down. All right, guys, it's been a few minutes. Let's go ahead and give these a flip. A little. Let's just see what our temp is on the chicken. 150, 160, that's perfect, 160. Guys, so when we go to grill this again, that's when we're gonna bring them right up to temp. All right, guys, it's been a few minutes. I'm pulling the zucchini, right? So chicken breast, we're gonna go ahead and get some more color on these. At least come up to temp. I'm gonna just keep flipping and turning, turning and flipping. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the chicken thighs and the chicken legs. I'm not gonna continue to show you that. And I'll bring you guys back when we're ready to take these off the grill. All right, guys, so it's time to get ready to eat, right? Time to pull this chicken off of there. This chicken is done. We're gonna let it kind of sit up for a few minutes, right? All right, guys, here's our chicken, right? This is looking good, guys. I already tasted a little bit of piece. You know, I couldn't resist it. It is good, guys. This came out good. You guys, you gotta try it. It's easy schmeezy, right? Easy schmeezy. You just gotta wait for the marinade to work. Right, guys, my bread. All right, I'm leaving it like that. All right, guys, so that's dinner. That's the magic of a Weber grill, guys. All right, let's go in. Let's go in. Let me get my plate and get ready. Go with a chicken leg, right? I definitely got to do a thigh. Hey, and I'm take a chicken tender, right? A chicken tender. Right, let me go down with some zucchini. Guys, that's it. Some meat, some zucchini. Let's get ourselves a piece of bread here. Right, because we're all gonna share the bread. Nice piece of bread. Guys, and this is a healthier dinner, right? Healthier barbecue dinner. So let's go in for a bite. Guys, look at this. You gotta love those little burnt bits, right? Skin is a little crunchy. All right, let's take a bite. Of course, we got a lot of noise when I'm tasting, but good. Hold on, let them go by. Guys, this is juicy. It's slightly spicy from the sriracha, right? The Italian seasoning, you really can't taste it at all, but the flavor is just different. It's just hitting right, guys. Guys, you gotta try this. This is so. Yeah, this is probably the best grilled chicken I made. Yeah, I made a lot of grilled chicken. This is gonna be the new favorite, guys. This is gonna be the new favorite, and I'm eating with my hands. That's right. All right, guys. Like and subscribe. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.